Hello everyone, welcome to my house. Bienvenidos a mi casa. I'm really excited to be making this delicious recipe with all of you. So today we're gonna be making paletas. Paletas are actually ice pops. The paletas are so popular in Mexico. That's why, well, I'm Mexican and that's why I want to share this recipe with you. Today we're gonna give them a special twist. We're gonna make boozy paletas with, of course, Ilegal Mezcal. So we're gonna be making two versions. One is gonna be spicy mango and mezcal paleta, and the other one is gonna be horchata and mezcal paleta. Okay, so we're gonna start with our spicy mango paleta. For that, we're gonna need 1 cup of mango puree. We're gonna need 1 dry chile de árbol, the juice of 1 lime. To sweeten this, the paleta, we're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons of inverted sugar. You can use, if you don't have inverted sugar, you can use agave syrup, you can use simple syrup, so even honey, so whatever you want to use to sweeten up your paleta. Okay, and then for garnish we're gonna use some spicy sal de gusano. We're gonna start by putting the mango puree in a pot, okay, and we're gonna actually infuse it with our chile de árbol. So I took out the top of the chile. We're gonna remove the seeds and then we're gonna put them inside our puree. So we're making an infusion, okay? And to make a proper infusion, we need to bring the puree to boil, okay? Once it's boiled, we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna let it cool with the chile inside. If you want a really strong chile de árbol flavor, then leave it a couple of hours. If you want like a mild flavor, then you can leave it for 30 minutes, okay? So right now, as I told you, we are bringing this, so I'm gonna bring the temperature a little bit higher. We're using a medium heat because of course we don't wanna burn the puree. We stir, okay, until it comes to a boil. Once it's boiling, we turn it off and we're gonna set it aside. We're gonna let it cool because if we actually add our mezcal when the mix is hot, we're gonna evaporate all the alcohol and we definitely don't want that. I'm gonna add the inverted sugar. As I told you, you can use any other sweetener that you have. I mix it until it dissolves. So we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna start with our second paleta. And we're gonna use 125 grams of rice. This rice, I let it soak overnight so it's softer, and when we blend it, it's gonna be so much easier for us. Then we have here 150 grams of condensed milk and 150 grams of evaporated milk. We have 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. Also, we're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 1 liter of water. Okay, we're gonna put all those ingredients in the blender, but first we need to strain our rice. Okay, so there it goes. Then we're gonna put the condensed milk and evaporated milk together. Agua fresca is so good. It brings me so many beautiful memories. So we're gonna add the cinnamon, we're gonna add the vanilla extract, and we're gonna add the water. Okay, so there it goes. I'm so excited. So we're gonna let it bake for at least 1 minute. So we are making sure that all the rice is properly blended. So we turn it off. Now we're gonna take 1 cup. We're gonna measure it out. It smells delicious. The remaining, you can set it aside. I just have 2 molds, so I'm gonna make only 1 cup. We're gonna pour, it's 1 shot of mezcal, so it's around 1.5 ounces. We're gonna add it into our agua de horchata and we're gonna stir. So I have the paletas sticks. Put the sticks here. So we're gonna pour our mixture And then we're gonna freeze them. Let's continue with our spicy mango paleta. The infusion has been sitting for around 45 minutes. I'm gonna take out the chile de árbol. What we need to do now is simply add the lime juice. We're gonna stir 1 shot. I actually have a little bit here. So cheers, salud. And we're gonna stir. So we're gonna again put the sticks on our paleta molds and we're gonna pour. Oh my god, I cannot wait for them to be frozen. So our paletas have been resting for approximately 4 hours and they're ready. So let's go ahead and unmold them. We're gonna finish them with some garnishes. For the mango one, we're gonna use a spicy sal de gusano. And then for the horchata one, we're gonna use a little bit of dulce de leche and cinnamon powder. Look how beautiful it looks. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of this spicy sal de gusano. It looks so beautiful. And then we're gonna finish the horchata ones with a little bit of dulce de leche and a little bit of cinnamon powder. We're gonna try them and I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. That hint of spice, it's perfect. I don't know, I think it's gonna be really difficult to choose. I think I will go with the mango one just because I want the spicy elements, but you should try them both. You should make them and let us know what you think. Salud!